Hello and welcome to BeeNum Learning. In our previous video, we had seen how to install Microsoft Visual Studio Code to get started with building Oracle Integration Cloud Library. In this, we will learn how to build our first function using JavaScript. First of all, we have to create a folder in our system. Let me name this folder as OIC underscore library. What we have to do is switch over to VS Code. Right click on this. First select on the Explorer, right click on the empty space over here, right click, add folder to go to downloads folder and select OIC library and add. Click on S if you get a pop-up. Once this folder has been added or the workspace, right click on this, create file, right, greetings.js. Click on enter. Now what we have to do is first we have to validate if you can run the JS on your computer or not. For this, what we are going to do is we are going to log a message on this. Click on save by pressing Ctrl S. If you don't see a window over here, go to terminals, click on new terminal, click on start. By clicking on the terminal and new terminal, if you are getting a pop-up to select from multiple paths, then select the path where your workspace is located. Now what we are going to do is how to run this JS. Write node space and greetings. So as you can see, we have got the message back saying hi BeeNum. With this we can confirm that we are able to run the JS on our VS Code. Next what we are going to do is we are going to switch to this documentation and copy one of the functions from this documentation. Paste it over here. Now what is our function? Name the function with some meaningful name like greetings, wherein we will accept the name as input and in response will be our greeting where we will send hi space and the name whatever we are getting in the request, and we will return the greeting back. Click save the file by pressing on Ctrl S. Now let us validate if we are able to run this function before importing into OIC. Write a console log, go to the terminal, run the node.js. Now we can get hi and the BeeNum what we have passed. So we can confirm that our JavaScript code is working fine. Now Control S. Now validate whether the file has been created and saved properly by checking this on Notepad. Yes, it is proper. Now what we have to do is we have to switch over to our, if node command is not working on your computer, this node command, then what you have to do is you have to go to this node.js, download the 32 or 64 bit based on the operating system what you are using. Okay. It will basically download .exe file and you can run the JavaScript code on your computer. This node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome engine, which will help us in running the JavaScript code. Okay. Now what we have to do is go to Oracle Integration Cloud instance, click on the create button, choose the file, select the file from download section, greeting.js, give some meaningful name as we are calling this give some meaningful name, give the version number and click on create. Now select the greeting.js and the function. If you are having n number of function, it will list it over here. As we are having only one function in this JS file, we are selecting this. We can select the input type over here. What that uh, name is of type. Output is greeting and it is of type what. We have to select it over here. Click on save. Yeah, and we are done. Next, go to integrations. Deactivate our REST integration int. The link to develop this integration I have provided in the card section. Kindly check out the video. Now click on this edit symbol, edit the mapper, enable this XSLT, expand this. Now what we are going to do is we have built the JavaScript function to concatenate the message like hi and the name. What we'll do is we are going to get the function, click on the user defined. From here we need to select our function. It is over here. Drag and drop it over here. Now we will remove this concat command. Okay. Validate this, click on close, save, activate the integration, click on this button and run the integration. We are providing the name as BeeNum Learning. Click on test. And in the response, we are getting hi BeeNum Learning. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe the channel.